Hello, everyone. Our overalls. It uses. And 1.8 crochets. This end of 320? It's okay. Then in the middle, it's an integral part of it. It's crocheted from the top position. The hook to the middle neck is broken. Crochet the arms down here. Connect the legs to the top and crochet as a whole. Then this little arm. Hook it directly to the main body. It is also integrated with the body parts. Small ears suit your face. The eyebrows are directly glued. Then the backpack. This backpack. Then just put it on its back. Okay, let's pull out the diagram. The words on it are X short needles. This part of us is. What letter represents what stitches? It's all in here. T is a medium and long needle. Let's diagram it later. Some letters seen. Go directly to the above paragraph. Just come and find it. So let's crochet from the beginning. Crocheted from scratch. There is a circle. 2. It represents the circle. That is, we crochet 6x in the first loop. So we see above 6x6 short needles. Letter, it's the stitch. That's our first crochet. It's followed by square brackets. We will also have a note above. 6 volts 6 short needles plus needles. Which letter did you see? 6 volts. It represents the addition of 6 short needles. And then back again, the same crochet. There are 6 parentheses XV, don't multiply it. Parentheses inside. In other words, there are X and V in parentheses. Parentheses represent a group. There is a number in front of the 6 sets of parentheses. That's the crochet pattern of the third loop. Repeat 6 times. And that's what it looks like in the diagram. 1 short needle and 1 plus needle. There is a difference between him and our third lap. This short needle must not be ignored. Count 24 stitches. Then the 7th lap has 36 short needles. Then the 7th lap means that there is no need to add needles. Just crochet 36 short needles. Is this the place for our box? Crochet method for laps 9 to 12. It's all the same. Laps 9 to 12 are exactly the same. Corresponds to crocheting a short needle. 2 hook to lap 12. 1 step at a time. Crochet 12 short needles. 1 needle is added as a group. So crochet them next to each other. Back brackets. Hook every lap. What about next? It is the same as laps 9 to 12. A represents 2. A represents the needle reduction. Next, a short needle. Crochet 3 sets. I'm going to tell you about it. We crochet them the same way. Let's crochet back. Hook the broken thread and leave the long thread for sewing. It needs to be sutured. And to fill the cotton. When filling the cotton, a small amount and many times. The back is the same. Just crochet it back. Start at the beginning.